Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods and I'm not a professional investor, I'm not an investment advisor, I don't work in the financial industry, but I do like to give my opinion on investing. And I'm out on family vacation, lovely Saskatchewan. It's about -30 out here, so I'm gonna make this pretty short and sweet. Today's question comes from Joan and she asks, when would an NRSP benefit you? And now the question specifically is in response to one of my videos where I compared an RRSP, which is a registered retirement savings plan, to a non-registered retirement savings plan, to a tax-free savings account. Now there's two times when a non-registered savings plan would benefit you. The first would be when you've already contributed enough to your RRSP, your registered retirement savings plan, and secondly when you've already invested enough into your TFSA. Once you've maxed your TFSA, obviously you can't contribute anymore for that year, so you have to put your money somewhere else. The next obvious choice would be to your RRSP, but if the amount in your RSP is high enough that you know you're going to have an appropriate amount of money when you retire, say you're on track to be having $1 million in your RRSP, then maybe you don't want to contribute anymore to that. Maybe you need to keep that money a little bit more liquid and not in a registered retirement fund. So that's when you would want to start pushing money into your non-registered. The second reason to have a non-registered savings plan is to have the ability to freely trade options. In an RRSP or a TFSA, the option trading is restricted. In a non-registered saving plan, you can have uncovered calls or you can have naked puts. Those are both two great selling strategies that aren't available in an RRSP or a TFSA. Now that's pretty complex trading, but it's something to consider when your portfolio is getting to a size that really matters. You know, my biggest portfolio that I hold is my non-registered savings plan, mostly because I know exactly what's in my RRSP and my TFSA. Both of those are basically maxed out in my mind, so I had to start moving money into my non-registered plan. Hope that answers your question, Joan. Let's get rich together.